So it's my honor to welcome you, sir, and interview Dr. Kenthos P. Paul, Principal of Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering, for our program Thoughts on Education. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Okay.
So, sir,
Thank you.
So, my first question to you is: being the principal of Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your school?
Marketing, we have a set pattern, something like we go for e-marketing as well as print media marketing also. We normally do it in the time of admission. That is, and we don't have very prolonged type of or round the clock type of advertisement program. Otherwise, we promote these things in the schools also, like conducting programs in the school children, like that we do. That's a normal thing we do.
Okay, sir. So, sir, talking about the curriculum of the college, how do you ensure the best practice of the industry?
It is fully guided by the university. It is affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam University, Trivandrum. Normally, it is known as Technical University in Kerala, and everything is controlled by the university. We work as per the direction of the university.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what do you think about your roles and responsibilities to the university and students? What are the roles and responsibilities?
Normal university related is conducting the classes as per the university directions. We conduct the university examinations, internal examinations, and co-curricular activities like internships or training for students. Those type of things are normally we are doing.
Okay. Okay, sir. And sir, what do you think are the university's priority over the next 10 years?
Their priority, normally first priority is academics, conducting the curriculum or we can exams in time and all. More than that, they are now offering add-on programs plus supporting internship. That's the new areas they are trying for because they are interested in doing or trying to give more internship also for the students. That is what they normally do.
And sir, about the college, which is the top priority?
College, we have a different set of say objectives for that one.
Okay.
And the main thing, we focus on placement. We give training based on placement, and we give add-on programs, or we can say online certification programs for the students so that they get better placed. So our focus is mainly on the placement, and we help them to put up in studies abroad, higher studies abroad. We have started a center for that one, for helping them to go for higher studies abroad. So these two are our focus areas. And of course, for the quality assurance, we think of always going for re-accreditation. We were first accredited in 2012 by National Board of Accreditation. And we are always thinking of continuing or doing that re-accreditation.
Okay,
That's
sir.
what our normal policy focus.
That's great, sir. That's a great policy, I would say. Okay, sir. So,
Thank you.
next question would be, when you first came to Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering, what was your vision for the university? Has it evolved over time? And how far along in implementing the vision you are?
We were focusing on two things. One is on the quality of education. That is why we got accredited in 2012. Then it was on sending students for higher studies abroad. Now the third one is evolving actually over a period of time, so supporting entrepreneurship. So that is also happening. So we have set up entrepreneurship development center. We have an incubation center. We support students once they complete that one. We provide the facility to continue there as entrepreneurs. So that's a third area now evolving over a period of time.
Okay. So actually, budding entrepreneurs are really great for the industry and even a great alumni base for the college. Okay.
We have some very good entrepreneurs who are world class now.
Okay, that's great, sir. So what would you like people to know about the university, what they might not know right now?
Placement is the area we are focusing. We would like to know our prospective candidates to know we have very good placement, and for improving the placement, we are supporting them, giving training, giving exposure, good internship in good companies, those type of things we are doing. So that is the area we want to make it public.
Okay. Okay, so next question is, sir, what do you see as Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering greatest strength of the college?
Placement is our greatest strength. Of course, quality is there for education. Now we are giving a second option, entrepreneurship also, say incubation center is an opportunity for students. That is the second area where we are focusing.
Okay, so what about the diversity of students in the college?
We are getting more students into entrepreneurship also. All types of students, like the if you are looking at the diversity, like reservation wise, we are getting all types of reservations. Gender wise, it is more or less same, 50-50.
That's great, sir.
Yeah.
So what are some of the biggest challenges you see, both for higher education in general and for Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering specifically?
The number of engineering colleges coming up in the state is the biggest challenge. And the candidates or students who are coming are not that ambitious to become in very good positions. They are less ambitious. They want only some job. They are not aware of the career opportunities and the career growth. So that is one challenge. I think for the new generation, it's a problem. They are not very ambitious. So they want mediocre jobs only. So they are happy with some job they get after engineering. They are not seriously thinking of going for higher studies abroad or reaching to very high positions in companies. So that's a challenge, I feel.
Okay, sir. So any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Be ambitious. That's what I can say.
Actually, that's a great...
To reach one day they start dreaming on reaching the top of the company one day.
Mm-hmm.
So that is what is lacking.
Everyone must hear it to it. So, sir, what are some of the plans?
No, India do have a lot of opportunity in the industry. A lot of companies are coming, and we need a lot of people at the top. So, getting trained for that, reaching that top is the most important thing. For that, we must be ambitious. So that is what is lacking.
Being ambitious is very important for each and every one of us.
Yeah, including we too.
True, sir. Growth is important in any phase of life.
Yeah, that's right. Initially, salary is the only thing people talk about. But after a small period, they will realize that is not the most important thing. Career growth is the most important.
Certainly, sir, I agree. So, sir, my last question to you would be, what are some plans that you are currently designing or will be designing for the Sri Narayan Gurukulam College of Engineering students?
I am focusing only two things. One is sending them abroad for higher studies.
Okay.
That is my focus area now. It doesn't mean I always said I'm not a man exporter. I'm not talking about exporting everybody to. What I suggest them, you go abroad, make a lot of saving and come back. We need you back in India. So with a lot of experience and money, come back. So that you can become good entrepreneurs. So many people will be getting employment, and the technology, the benefit of growth of technology will be available in the country. So that is what my aspiration to the future. We should get technology from abroad by our youth, so that the industry will grow. The nation also will grow through a lot of employment. That is what exactly happening in software, which should happen in hardware also.
Okay, so that's a great plan of yours, and actually a great ambition also.
Okay, thank you very much.
Actually, that's all from my side, sir. Would you like to tell something else? So, questions?
That's all.
Okay, sir. It was great interviewing you and knowing more about the college and about you too. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. I also enjoyed the interaction. So thank you very much for this opportunity.